book that can solve a Rubik's Cube.
How do I get these two? Sure. So you got this and this, but now I don't know how to do the rest.
It's okay, Mr. Gibson. So do you want to do a challenge?
What's the challenge?
Want to solve this one?
No way! Yeah, I wouldn't have a clue how to start that. Beyond me.
Thank you, Mr. Gibson.
Try your best.
Alright. That's what teachers say to you, right? I don't even know where to start. Can I take apart and then put them back?
Is that how you solve the rubric?
Okay.
Are you ready to do the challenge?
Uh-huh.
This is your challenge.
Alright, I like it. Almost done.
I can do it in 5 seconds.
Okay, do
Okay.
Okay? So this is how you do it. Okay? It's done, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah? Is it done?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah!
You want to take a challenge?
Like a challenge.